With an American-made Gator ETX soft rolling cover, your cargo is no longer exposed to the elements and prying eyes. With its ability to roll and store all the way to the cab, it's never in your way. It can be installed in about 15 minutes using just a socket wrench with 9/16 inch and 1/2 inch sockets. Begin by cleaning your truck bed rails. Next, open the box and remove the cover and all of its components. Start with the driver's side rail. It is the rail with the trigger latch. With the tailgate closed, position the side rail by equally compressing the seats on either end between the cab and the tailgate. Then, install the clamps. To install the clamps, position one in the middle, one close to the bulkhead, and the third near the tailgate. Push the clamp as high as possible on the bed rail flange. Finger tighten it first to make sure the teeth of the clamp engage with the grooves of the side rail. Once satisfied with the placement of all three clamps, tighten the bolt with the 1/2 inch socket while holding the clamp firmly in one hand to keep the clamp from slipping or spinning. Repeat these steps on the other side to install the passenger side rail. Cover tension is controlled by adjustable blocks. To start, place the 4 position blocks as shown, with the number 4 on top and closest to the cab of the truck. Secure the block with the hitch pin in the number 2 hole. This setting applies the least amount of tension to the cover. Make sure both driver and passenger side blocks are in the same position. Once the cover is on, it may be necessary to go back and adjust the blocks until proper tension has been achieved. Next, position the cover on the bulkhead, allowing the bolts to slide through the pre-drilled slots. Place the plastic washer and thread the nut onto the bolt. Be careful not to over-tighten the nut and plastic washer connection. Unhook the retainer straps and unroll the cover to the tailgate. Notice how the cover fits into the grooves at the end of the rails. Then, firmly shut the cover. Next, press down on the hook and loop fasteners along the length of the truck bed. To open the cover, pull the trigger release on the driver's side rail. Then, you roll the cover towards the cab. Secure the cover by using both retainer straps and never stow the cover against the cab. This allows you complete access to your truck bed. Thanks for choosing an American-made Gator cover.
When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, TruXport by TruXedo has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The TruXport is there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather-grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install TruXport in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the sides of the cover down. When used with the locking tailgate, TruXport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We've even custom designed TruXport to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. We proudly manufacture TruXport here in the USA and back it with our 5-year warranty. At TruXedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and affordability. With TruXport, you can finally have both. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life. Congratulations on purchasing your Lund tonneau cover. Let's get started with this easy install. First, identify the cover assembly, rails, clamps assembly, and hardware provided in your package. Proceed by placing the driver and passenger side rails on the edge of the truck bed. Attach the rails with the clamps and tighten the hardware. Once both rails are secured, place the cover in position at the cab end of the bed. Disconnect the buckles to release the cover. Next, slide the carriage bolt into the cover assembly channel and attach the cover to the rails. Use the flange nut to secure it in place. Now unroll the cover and snap it closed at the tailgate end of the truck bed. Now you're ready to hit the road. Be sure to register your product for a limited lifetime warranty at lundinternational.com.
The Tyger T3 Soft Tri-Fold tonneau cover is the perfect solution to cover your truck bed with style and only takes a few minutes to install. In this video, we will be installing on a 2019 Ford F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. If the truck's front bed rail or tailgate is lower than the sides, use the provided weather seal strip. Gaps on the front bed or tailgate will cause noise and flapping issues while the vehicle is in motion. The clamps are already attached to the assembled cover. There are 2 front clamps, 2 front safety clamps, and 2 rear clamps. Place the assembled cover on the bulkhead against the cab. Unbuckle the safety strap and unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Make sure the cover is aligned on all sides. Then carefully fold the cover up to the cab without moving its position. Pull down the front clamp. Then hook the clamp's jaw portion onto the metal bed rail lip and turn the knob until the side Q seal is compressed for a snug fit. The position of the clamp has been pre-assembled for optimal fitment on your vehicle, but if needed, release the top Phillips head screw and then the clamp can be relocated to any of the 3 horizontal positions. Next, install the 2 front safety clamps for additional security. Unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Pull down the rear clamps and hook onto the bed rail lip to ensure a snug fit. Close the tailgate to complete the installation. To access the truck bed, open the tailgate and pull the 2 clamp handles up to release the rear clamps. Fold the cover over once and then secure the rear clamps to the side with the jaw portion facing down. When the vehicle is in motion, safety straps must be buckled if cover is folded to the cab or if cover is closed. All 6 clamps must be securely attached to the truck.